Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sort on OpenSea. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPad Pro. So let's jump into it. First go to the stats, and then here obviously the first one is the category that you are searching in. Now it's set to all categories, but you can choose your category that you wish for. Then you can choose the chain, Ethereum, Polygon or Clayton, or all chains if you are. And to sort your searches, you have to tap on this third button, and here you can sort by the 24-hour volume, you can sort by all-time volume, you can sort by 7-day change, average price, number of owners, and total supply. So let's see, 7-day change. Just choose the sorting criteria that you wish, then tap on apply, and this way it's going to show you the 7-day change of all categories. As you can see, the first one has a, I couldn't even read, like a 200 trillion% growth. So yeah, these are all the 7-day change champions, but obviously the 7-day volume is also, nowadays the Bored Ape Yacht Club is on the top all the time. And yeah, that's how you can sort your searches on OpenSea. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.